Hi, my name is Jenny Holroyd. I'm a certified industrial hygienist with the Georgia Tech Occupational Safety and Health Group and IMIH. Since the COVID-19 pandemic has taken place, our group has been working with small businesses throughout the state of Georgia by holding virtual conferences with them and helping them step by step to create preparedness plans with engineering controls, with getting and coordinating with other companies to secure personal protective equipment, and really helping connect them to the resources they need to be able to protect their workers.
Hi, I'm Ron McMahon. I am the Business Development Innovation Director at SGS Carlson. We have released some things to help everyone during the cleanup and the reoccupation of buildings and facilities. And we're here to help you any way we can. The key is stay safe and stay at a safe distance and practice hygiene standards that have been put out there, and let's all stay safe while we try to reoccupy our planet. Thank you very much.
I'm Courtney Gendron, occupational hygienist. I keep workers safe at our workplace by educating the workers about how the virus is transmitted. We're working from home most of the time, but if we have to go out into the field to do jobs, we create control plans using the hierarchy of controls. So the first ones is staying at home if you have any symptoms or have been in contact with someone who has symptoms of COVID-19, to practice physical distancing and hand and respiratory hygiene, and also face coverings if needed.
We've been doing our bit to keep safe from COVID-19 by, first of all, exercising caution and exercising social distancing. To the extent possible, we have allowed our consulting staff to work from their home offices and minimize the number of people that we need as a skeleton crew to perform our laboratory operations. As far as our consulting work is concerned, to the extent possible, we have been doing them remotely and from our offices, minimizing the amount of travel that we need to do to, like I said, a bare minimum. When we are in presence of others, again, we are wearing masks, hand sanitizers, gloves, and even to the point that we have left certain doors open so that we don't need to keep touching doorknobs and so on. We need to do what we can to fight this virus and win.
I am really privileged at this time to be working with the National Safety Council and other safety organizations on this great effort that's called SAFER, which is Safe Actions for Employee Return. And this is about developing guidelines and protocols and policies for organizations of all types to return to work safely and to keep their workers protected while they transition back to their workplaces. So this has been a very rewarding effort for me in the fight against COVID-19 and thinking beyond the pandemic and what happens in a post-pandemic world. So for me, that has been the most rewarding experience and something to take for lessons learned moving forward.
If I could give workers 1 to 3 different tips to look at when they return to work, one of the most important things I would recommend is making sure that there are clear communication lines between you, your coworkers, and upper management, and all of the people working about what the policies and procedures are and what to do if you have any concerns. I'd also recommend that you work closely with your HVAC and maintenance employees to make sure that the HVAC system in your building and in the areas appropriately maintained. And my third thing is to take a moment and take a breath and go outside and get some fresh air and really maintain good mental health measures during this very stressful time.
Some of the tips for workers returning to work: if you're nervous about returning to work, if you have an elderly family member at home, remember that if you and your coworkers stick to the controls that I just mentioned, these can do a good job at keeping you safe.
My tip for the workers returning to work, it's basically try to understand how contagious this coronavirus is and try to understand how you can get protected. I love being an AIHA member because I can meet interesting people that are interested in making the work environment safe.
I think it's paramount to maintain that social distancing, washing your hands frequently, and I'll also say, reaching out to those family members or friends that can't get out or may have not gone out yet, and the isolation, which is very tough on them.
I'm Joy Inoue. I work for the National Safety Council out of Chicago, Illinois, and we are AIHA.
I am IH.
I am IH.
And I am IH.
I am IH.
I am IH.
I am an IH.
A healthier workplace is a healthier world.